Excel just got a massive AI upgrade, bringing a new level of intelligence and automation to your spreadsheets. Let's see how these new AI formulas can transform the way you work. Let's jump in. So in this video, we'll show you how to install it for free and walk you through 5 of its most incredible features to boost your productivity in Excel. Alright, let's get started with the setup. To install this formula, it actually works as an Excel add-in. So first, head over to the Home tab, and on the right-hand side, click on Add-ins. Next, select More Add-ins. And once the pop-up appears, type ChatGPT into the search bar. From the results, ChatGPT for Excel, and it shows Add, click Add. We already added because showing Open. Then, and after a few seconds, it'll appear on the side panel, just like this. So now that we've got everything set up, let's get started with the first and most powerful AI-driven feature, the AI.TABLE formula. Let's see what it can do. Here, we've got a simple prompt that says, find the 15 biggest countries in the world by population. So, let's type equals AI.TABLE, open parenthesis. Then select our prompt cell, close parenthesis, and press Enter. And just like that, Excel instantly generates a dynamic table listing the world's 15 largest countries by population, complete with accurate data, starting from China and India at the top. It shows each country's 2023 population, the total land area they cover, and how densely populated they are, calculated as people per square kilometer. Countries like Bangladesh and India have very high population density, while nations with large land areas like Russia and the United States have much lower density. Pretty impressive, right? But it gets even better. Let's say we also want to see their continents. All we need to do is update my prompt to say, find the 15 biggest countries in the world by population, continent. Hit Enter again, and Excel regenerates the entire table, now with those extra details automatically included. That's the power of AI.TABLE. It understands and builds structured data tables directly from your prompt. Now, let's take it one step further. Suppose we want to generate random sample data instead of pulling anything from the internet. Maybe a list of 10 random people with structured fields, like full name, age, designation, country. Here's how. We'll type equals AI.TABLE again, and for the select prompt. Then, after a comma, select the header row above, the columns we want the data for. Close parentheses and press Enter. And there it is. Perfectly structured mock data. Each column has realistic entries, full name, age, designation, country, all nicely formatted. And notice, there's no unrealistic data, no one aged 150 years, or weird duplicates. Now, one thing worth noting, while AI.TABLE works brilliantly for small or medium-sized datasets, so for quick mockups, test data, or small analytics samples, it's absolutely perfect. Next up, AI.FILL formula, auto-complete missing data instantly. This one's really useful when you're trying to fill in missing information automatically. Here, you can see we've got a simple list. We've got cities, their countries, and their continents. But right now, only the first few rows are complete. The rest are missing. So here's what we'll do. In an empty cell, we'll type equals AI.FILL. Now, it's important that we already have some examples above, because Excel's AI needs to learn from those patterns. So, we'll first select the example rows. These show what we mean by country and continent. Next, hit a comma, and now for the partial range. That's the part where data is missing, which in this case is all these city names below. We'll close the parenthesis and press Enter. And just like that, Excel fills in all the missing countries and continents automatically. Pretty cool, right? It's got them all correct. No need to search or copy-paste manually. Now, let's try one more example to really see how powerful this is. In this next table, we've got a list of companies, and we want to find out what industry they're in and where their headquarters are located. Some of these are famous names like Google and Apple, but others, like Specialized or Cannondale. So again, we'll type equals AI.FILL. And for our examples, we'll select the top few completed rows, including the headers so Excel understands the context. Then, after the comma, we'll select all the remaining company names, where the information is missing. Close the parenthesis, hit Enter, and awesome! It's correctly identified even the smaller brands and filled in their industries and headquarters perfectly. So that's the AI.FILL feature. It's like Excel's version of autofill on steroids. It saves tons of time and is surprisingly accurate, even for niche data. Next up, AI.EXTRACT formula. Excel just got smarter. Now let's move on to one of my favorite new AI functions, AI.EXTRACT. Think of this one as flash fill on steroids. Let's start with a quick reminder of how regular flash fill works. Here, we have two columns, one for first name and one for last name, and we want to combine them together. So, if I type Rahul Sharma in the first cell, then press Ctrl+E, Excel automatically fills in the rest. That's flash fill. It recognizes a simple pattern and completes it for us. But now, let's make things a little trickier. In this column, we have text like, "The appointment is confirmed for Rahul Sharma." And all we want is to extract just the name, Rahul Sharma. If I try the same trick with flash fill and press Ctrl+E, you'll see it doesn't quite work. The problem? These sentences are inconsistent. Sometimes words appear before or after the name, and Excel can't figure out a clear pattern. That's where AI.EXTRACT comes in. So in an empty cell, I'll type equals AI.EXTRACT, and for the first argument, I'll select all of these text values. Next, I'll type a comma and tell Excel what I want to extract. In this case, just names. Then close the parenthesis and hit Enter. And instantly, Excel extracts all the names perfectly. No patterns needed. It just understands what we meant. Now let's try another example, extracting emails. Here we've got similar text with some inconsistencies, extra words, random punctuation, even a few domain variations like .co.uk. Let's see how AI handles this. We'll type AI.EXTRACT formula. Select all these sentences, add a comma, and tell it to extract emails. Then close the parenthesis and hit Enter. And there it is, perfectly extracted email addresses from messy text. Even the tricky ones were captured correctly. So, while flash fill works great for simple patterns, AI.EXTRACT formula takes things to the next level, handling inconsistent, unstructured text effortlessly. These features are amazing for productivity. Next up, AI.ASK function, how it works in Excel. Let's begin with something easy. Our first question is, who's the CEO of Google? So inside the cell, we'll type equals AI.ASK, since we're simply asking a question here. Who is the CEO of Google? And just like that, Excel gives us the answer. As of October 2023, the CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai. That looks correct. Now, of course, that's a pretty easy question. You could have just Googled that. So let's try something a little more useful. In the next example, we'll ask it to write an email telling my manager to reschedule our meeting to Friday as I'm on holiday. Close parenthesis and hit Enter. And look at that. It's generated a complete, professional-sounding email with a subject line, a greeting, and the full body of the message. In Excel, the script appears as a single straight line. But when you copy and paste it into Word, it shows up properly structured and clearly formatted. Pretty impressive. Now let's move to something more Excel related. Here's the question. What Excel formula should I use to sum a list of values only if they're greater than 5? Once again, we'll type equals AI.ASK. Open parenthesis, select the cell with that question, and hit Enter close parenthesis. And there it is. The function recommends using SUMIF. Exactly what we'd expect. If we scroll a bit through the text, you can see it even provides the complete formula syntax ready to copy. So that's the AI.ASK function. A simple but super powerful way to ask natural language questions and get instant useful responses, right inside Excel. Next up, AI.TRANSLATE formula in Excel. This powerful and super useful if you work with multilingual data. Here's how it works. Over here, we've got some text written in English, and let's say we want to translate it into Spanish, right inside Excel, without using Google Translate. So, we'll type equals AI.TRANSLATE. Then select the text cell, add a comma, and specify the target language, for example, Spanish. Hit Enter, and there it is. Instantly translated. That's it. No need to switch tabs or copy-paste text anymore. But here's where it gets even cooler. Let's make it dynamic, so we can switch languages from a drop-down list. To do that, go to the Data tab, click Data Validation, choose List. Now type in a few language options like Hindi, Spanish, Japanese, French, Arabic. And click OK. Now we've got a drop-down. And if I switch it to, say, Hindi, Excel instantly translates the text again, this time into Hindi. How awesome is that? This new AI.TRANSLATE formula in Excel can save you tons of time, especially if you often share your workbooks across regions or collaborate with international teams. So that's a complete look at Excel's new AI functions: AI, Translate, AI.ASK, AI.EXTRACT, AI.FILL, and AI.TABLE. Each one brings a whole new level of intelligence and automation to your spreadsheets. Stay tuned for more Excel AI tutorials and see how you can put these to work in your projects. You can download it for free from the video description if you'd like to follow along. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.